Hey everyone, this is Chase of Rocky Mountain ATV MC giving you a closer look at the tinted LED taillights for Polaris UTVs from Tusk. All right everyone, thanks for checking in. Today we're giving you a closer look at these tinted LED taillights from Tusk for Polaris UTVs. If you're like us, then you like to give a little facelift, a little customization to your side-by-side. These are an easy and inexpensive way to do that. They're an OE replacement. They use the same mounting and electrical plugins as your stock taillights that you have now. So as far as install goes, that is a breeze. They only use 6 watts of power even under braking, so power consumption, that is a non-issue. Like I said, we've got these on our machines here at Rocky Mountain. We love them because they look good. We did a lot of testing with these to make sure they're going to hold up to the jarring and the harsh weather conditions when they're going to put them through. So if you are looking to get a little facelift for your side-by-side, easy way to do it. To pick some of these up, click on the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. Remember, orders over $75 ship free, and be sure when you're picking these up to enter the make, model, and year to ensure that you get the proper fitment. And if you like this little product spotlight video and you like UTV content, we'll make sure to get subscribed to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel because we are constantly doing great how-to videos, product spotlights like you saw today, as well as our machine build. So get subscribed. I'm Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.